If you're a brand new signing agent researching on how to be a signing agent, watch this video because it might be the most important video you've seen yet. Remember, as a notary loan signing agent, our job is to go over mortgage products with the home borrower. But there's more than one mortgage product. There's actually 5 different mortgage products. You're going to want to know where the signatures, dates, and initials go as a notary loan signing agent. So let's dive into those mortgage products right now. What are those 5 major mortgage products? One is a refinance. Everyone knows what that is. It's probably the most popular mortgage product and most likely the very first signing opportunity you're gonna get. A refinance is when someone is refinancing a current loan on the property. Maybe they're taking cash out. Maybe they're getting a lower interest rate. Maybe they're shortening the term of the loan, meaning they're going from a 30-year loan to a 20-year loan. So refinance is mortgage product number 1 that you need to know. Mortgage product number 2 is a purchase, probably the second most popular loan signing that you will see out in the field. And that's very obvious when someone buys a home. The mortgage paperwork is very similar to a refinance, but there's different nuances, so you're gonna wanna make sure you understand and learn how to do a purchase loan signing with the borrower. Mortgage product number 3 that you're gonna see is a seller's package. A seller package was a home seller sells a home. There's paperwork that is sent out by the escrow company. The notary goes out, signs the seller paperwork, and also grant deeds or quitclaim deeds or warranty deeds need to be notarized with that package set. The 4th most popular mortgage product that you're going to see is a reverse mortgage. What is a reverse mortgage? Usually it is held for the older population in America. This is where when someone has a lot of equity in their home, they use the equity in their home as a way to get cash flow. So they're mortgaging their house against the future value, and it's called a reverse mortgage because instead of paying a mortgage, the mortgage actually grows bigger. And the 5th mortgage product you should know as a notary loan signing agent is something called a HELOC, Home Equity Line of Credit, where people use the equity in their home just like they do a credit card. So if a homeowner owns a home and it's worth $200,000, they owe $100,000, which means they have $200,000 worth of equity in the property. They take out a home equity line of credit against that $200,000, so they can draw up or down on the basis of their line of credit tied to the property. So as a notary signing agent, when you go to your first closing, the most likely odds of seeing one of those 5 is 99%. So if you're looking to be a loan signing agent, you want to make sure you've seen a refinance set of loan documents, a purchase set of loan documents, a seller's package, a reverse mortgage, and a home equity line of credit. This is just one out of the 5 steps to get your first paid notary signing job. I created a free 5-step PDF guide to help you land your first notary job. To get access, simply click the link down below. Again, you can Google all of this information, go out and get loan document sets and study them for yourself. Or if you're looking for a notary signing agent training program, make sure that they cover all 5 major mortgage closings. Because if you learn 4 of them and you get approached with the 5th one and you don't know how to do it, then you're probably not going to get business again because you're making mistakes and errors. So hopefully this helped your journey on becoming a loan signing agent. If you like this video, hit like. And of course, if you have any questions about what I just covered, don't hesitate to comment below and follow my channel for more tips and tricks just like this.